One of the great things about Moodle is that there's some incredible data that it generates. So I'm able to have a look at each student's activity through Moodle, both individually but also en masse, looking at the entire group of students. And I'm seeing a huge uptake of students actually now engaging with this material pre-class. In excess of 90% of my students are now doing the pre-class work prior to coming to their workshops each week. A huge improvement on what we used to see, where maybe only between 30 and 50% were coming along to the lectures. Okay, so Moodle gives us this insight into when and how and where students are actually engaging with this online material. Having access to this data in Moodle allows me to do a couple of things. Firstly, I can diagnose problems, identify where students may be misunderstanding, but also I can then take action. So I can run reports and from that identify the at-risk students. And from that I can then take action. For example, normally around about week 3 or 4 of each semester, our Student Survival Week, it's a great time to, just before the census date, to make contact with the students that aren't actually progressing, that aren't actually committing themselves to doing the work each week, and remind them of the importance of working each week rather than waiting until the end of semester, and also pointing them towards areas that can help them, such as the learning skills area, or the Monash Uni counselling, or contact details for their tutors, so they can actually take action to address the problem. So we're catching them earlier rather than waiting until the end of semester when they become a casualty. We really couldn't do this without having a central hub such as Moodle to tie all of this together.